Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you are all well and you must have seen my previous videos also. I am Toor from Toor Academy. Today I am going to explain a very important topic from electricity class 10th physics, and the topic is very important topic is factors affecting resistance of a conductor. So before starting the factors affecting resistance of a conductor, you should be familiar with resistance. So what is resistance? Resistance is a property of a conductor which opposes the flow of current. It means that if the resistance is high of a conductor, then it will allow very small amount of electricity to pass through it, and if the conductor is having low resistance, then it will allow electricity to pass through it very easily. So factors affecting resistance of a conductor का जो पहला factor है, that is length of a conductor. Resistance depends upon the length of a conductor. कैसे depend करता है कि resistance is directly proportional to the length of the wire, length of the conductor, which is in the form of a wire, as we know. लेंथ ऑफ अ कंडक्टर के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है कि हाउ इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन द लेंथ ऑफ द कंडक्टर. रेजिस्टेंस इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू द लेंथ ऑफ कंडक्टर. रेजिस्टेंस इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू द लेंथ ऑफ कंडक्टर. व्हाट डज इट मीन? इफ यू इंक्रीज द लेंथ ऑफ द वायर, कंडक्टर जो कि वायर के फॉर्म में है, इफ यू इंक्रीज द लेंथ ऑफ द वायर, देन रेजिस्टेंस विल ऑल्सो इंक्रीज. And if you decrease the length of a wire, then resistance will also decrease. For example, if you double the length of the wire, then resistance भी double हो जाएगा. And if you make the length of the wire half, then the resistance will also become half. So in this way, you can say that resistance is directly proportional to the length of the wire. Second point is area of cross section, that is thickness. What is the relationship between resistance and the area of cross section? This is the relationship. Resistance is inversely proportional to the area of cross section, that is 1 over A. A for area of cross section, that is thickness, you can say. So resistance is inversely proportional to the area of cross section. How to explain it? If you double the area of cross section, अगर आप एरिया ऑफ क्रॉस सेक्शन को डबल कर देते हो, देन रेजिस्टेंस विल बिकम हाफ. एंड इफ यू if you make the area of cross section half, then the resistance of conductor will become double. So this relationship is known as resistance is inversely proportional to the area of cross section. सिंपल सा रिलेशन है कि अगर एरिया ऑफ क्रॉस सेक्शन अगर आप कम कर दोगे, इसका मतलब इफ़ यू मेक द वायर वेरी थिन, अगर थिन है तो एरिया ऑफ क्रॉस सेक्शन उसका लेस है एंड द रेजिस्टेंस विल इंक्रीज. एंड इफ़ यू मेक द वायर थिक, एरिया ऑफ क्रॉस सेक्शन इंक्रीज करते हो, देन द रेजिस्टेंस विल बिकम लेस. रेजिस्टेंस उसका लेस होगा, यानी कि इट विल कंडक्ट मोर अमाउंट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक करंट. बिल्कुल वैसे ही होता है जैसे इफ़ यू गो थ्रू नैरो लेन, बहुत ही नैरो लेन से अगर आप गुजरते हो तो आपकी स्पीड, आपके व्हीकल की स्पीड विल डिक्रीज. बिल्कुल उसी तरह से जैसे आपका रेजिस्टेंस जो है उसमें बढ़ जाता है, वैसे ही आपकी उसमें रेजिस्टेंस इतना ज़्यादा होगा नैरो लेन में कि आपकी स्पीड घट जाएगी. तो रेजिस्टेंस अगर एरिया ऑफ क्रॉस सेक्शन लेस है, रेजिस्टेंस विल इंक्रीज. एंड इफ द you are going on a very broad road, so that is area of cross section is more, in other words you can say, तो उसमें आपकी स्पीड भी बढ़ जाएगी. It means the wire, if it is thick, if its area of cross section is more, then the resistance will decrease and more amount of electric current will pass through it. So this is the relationship between area of cross section, right? This is the relationship. Resistance is inversely proportional to the area of cross section. Next है point effect of nature of material. Nature of material it affects the resistance. There are some substances which are having naturally high resistance, and there are some substances which are having naturally very low resistances. Normally all the metals like aluminium, copper, silver, they are having very low resistance in a natural way, so they are having they are very good conductors of electricity. On the other hand, there are some alloys where we can have nichrome alloys, nichrome, manganese and constantan. These are some of the alloys, nichrome these are some of the alloys naturally they are having high resistance. Actually हम उनको बनाते ही ऐसे हैं to increase their resistance. So alloys they have high resistance, and the pure metals like copper aluminium they are having low resistance and they are good conductors of electricity. Silver is the best conductor of electricity. Lead is the poorest conductor of electricity. Alloys, they are having high resistance. So it depends upon the nature of the material. Some of the materials, they are having high resistance like alloys. Some of the materials like pure metals, they are having very low resistance. So this nature of material also is a very important factor which affect the resistance. Next fourth effect of temperature. So what is the effect of temperature? जो pure metal होते हैं, if you increase their temperature, their resistance will also increase. Increase the temperature, pure metals का, pure metals, if you increase the resistance, if you increase the temperature, then their resistance will also increase. On the other hand, जो alloys हैं, which are the homogeneous mixtures of a metal with another metal or a metal with sometimes non-metal also, these are known as alloys. So alloys का no effect of temperature. Temperature बढ़ाओ, घटाओ makes no difference. So temperature does not affect the alloys, resistance of alloys, while pure metals का resistance, it depends upon the temperature. If you increase the temperature, their resistance will also increase. So these are all about these different factors affecting resistance of a conductor. So these are the four factors: length of the conductor, that is resistance is directly proportional to the length of the conductor, area of cross section, that is thickness, resistance is inversely proportional to the area of cross section. Number 3, effect of nature of material. Some material are having high resistance like pure metals, some are having low resistance. Pure metals have low resistance and alloys are having high resistance. And effect of temperature, pure metals, they increase. If you increase the temperature, their resistance will also increase, and if you decrease the temperature, their resistance will also decrease. So pure metals depend करते हैं temperature में उनका resistance, but the alloys, the temperature does not affect them. Their resistance के ऊपर temperature का कोई असर नहीं होता. So this is all about today, and इसी के continuation में मेरा next video है, that is what is the meaning of resistivity and what are the differences between resistance and resistivity. So don't miss my next video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe it and share with your friends. Thank you so much.